You're cornered. Your king is in the crosshairs. The game seems lost, but then you see it, a small solitary pawn, advancing step by step. It reaches the end of the board, and everything changes, because a pawn is not just a pawn. When it reaches its goal, it transforms, and before your eyes, a new queen is born. From the humblest piece, absolute power arises. Remember, the pawn is the only piece that cannot move backward. So, what happens when it reaches the other side of the board? It can promote. You must exchange your pawn for another piece. It can be a knight, a bishop, a rook, or the powerful queen. It cannot remain a pawn or become a king. And something important. It doesn't have to be one of the pieces that have already been captured during the game. Each pawn has the ability to become a queen, so you could promote and have more than one queen on the board, which is incredibly powerful. Now that you know how to promote a pawn, subscribe to BlackChess Academy to defeat all your opponents. The link is in the description.